All right. Hello, class. So this is a small tutorial as to how to do your brochure. If you remember, one of your activities had to do with doing a brochure regarding educational curriculum and certain activities that we should design in order to advance cognitive growth. So here is how to do a brochure. You'll start with a piece of paper, you'll fold it in three, and it will look something like this. And as the final product, it will have to do with a single per page. The front page has to have the title of the brochure, your title, and your name. And probably you can play with any image you want. Then you will open the brochure, and as you're opening the brochure, remember that you will have one page here, and which is page number 2, which you will start with your whatever you want to talk about in terms of your activities, but also you will also see page number 5, because you haven't unfolded that part of your paper yet. So on page number 5, that belongs to your references. So as soon as you finish with that, then you will end up with the 3 pages, the center, the important aspect of your brochure. And here you will have first part, the theory, where you will introduce the theory you are talking about. You will introduce some specific remarks about the cognitive achievements of the children at the stage you're dealing with, or the cognitive limitations. The center, page number 3, will have to do with the educational activities that you will select that are appropriate, cognitively speaking appropriate. They are appropriate at the right level that the student is at. And you should also describe or explain how those activities that you have selected promote growth. And page number 4, this page here, you'll need to write to explain those activities in relation to the general theory of cognitive development. So that's how you will create your brochure.